Hello all, Shane Scrimager with the Wirecast team. Excited to be back on eduStreamTV. Today I thought we would go over professional streaming with Wirecast and cover some basic points. The modern classroom, elevating the basics, engaging the community, going into the broadcast studio, scalability, and resources. The modern classroom. There's a lot of flexibility in that title. We're talking everything from announcements to Division I sports coverage. 2 points we must tackle is not just the webcam look and providing an all-in-one solution for graphics, switching, and encoder, and allowing the students to drive production value. And what's also very important is community engagement. So we're talking about events, sports, news and weather, lectures and announcements. And you have all of these topics that the school may be trying to tackle or cover. And it's all depending on scalability here, what the budget is. Usually, just 2 examples, for a softer budget, we would actually do a mobile unit with 2 cameras. And everything fits into the hard case on wheels, and they can move it between the gymnasium, the football field, soccer field, back in for a morning announcement, over into the news and weather studio, allowing one setup to go to multiple locations, because essentially every workflow, besides massive scales, have essentially the same, let's just say 2 cameras, microphones, with the switching and graphics. So you could use one mobile unit and attain the ability to stream or have a mobile broadcast studio for all of these types of productions. If the budget is obviously warmer, then we go into studios. They have a newsroom and fixed camera set up on the fields. It's all about scalability and conversations with the schools. But the point here is Wirecast will scale with the school. If they start off with just a simple webcam, light, and MacBook running Wirecast, that's fine. As the budget allows and the school grows and sees the value, and they move into a multi-camera, full mixing board, multiple microphone workflow, Wirecast is ready. Elevating the basics, keeping it professional and simple, meaning having the resources available for the faculty and students to learn and grow with the production. We could easily do a professional looking production in under 5 minutes with a webcam and all of the features within Wirecast, being instant graphics, having the school's logo and being able to create an animated logo, school colored lower third, intros and outros, all of that is available right now within Wirecast. The virtual camera, keeping it simple with the school uses or is team-centric, Zoom, Meet-centric, and that is their means of internal communication or district-wide communication. That's great. We can use Wirecast production value over virtual camera, meaning in Zoom, or wherever you're using, you could select Wirecast's virtual camera out as your webcam and use Wirecast live output in that morning announcement in that meeting and bringing production value to those meetings. Stock media library, for instance, just a 2 camera, 1 microphone, fixed background studio, and that's what the school is starting off with. That's fine. B-roll is going to be your friend. Stock media library has over 1 million assets, being video, music, sound clips, photos, to enhance that production. Again, another tool available right within Wirecast. But having the ability for the faculty and students to know that they can grow with the application and utilize features that already exist within Wirecast. Engaging the community and having every angle covered. 2 points there. Yes, a multiple camera setup. Let's take a play, for instance. A play with a 3 camera setup. You've got your medium close-up shot. You've got your overall wide shot and a 3rd camera to really get in there and get some detailed shots to convey the experience of the play. Having every angle covered for the viewer, they want to be able to interact. So our social integrations allow them to do live commenting and be part of that play. Scoreboards for the sports live streams, very important. We have fixed scoreboards in Wirecast. They're a manual update for the scoring. You could pull in live scoring from services such as like Sportscast and others and pull in live scoring and their scoreboards. And there's always the traditional putting one camera on the school's scoreboard, cropping that down, scaling that down, and placing it somewhere in the canvas to actually just be the scoreboard for the game. Multiple destinations. Wirecast can stream to Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, X. The social, what's allowed for the school, plus recording to disk. So especially with the horsepower of recent computers, not a problem to stream to multiple destinations and record to disk. The remote guest flexibility, bringing in remote guests, period. We have integrations across Team, Zoom, Wirecast's own Rendezvous, where whatever your viewer is comfortable, or if the school is, let's just say, guest lecturer, I use Zoom. Excellent, let's use Zoom, and we will pull you into Wirecast from Zoom with our Zoom integration. Rendezvous, a personal invite for someone to connect with their webcam and microphone. Teams, as long as it's enabled in your Teams account, we can bring in everyone from that Teams meeting, keep it to about 5 people, through NDI. So multiple integrations to bring in remote guests easily and most likely with the application that they're familiar with. So every angle covered. Yes, multiple cameras, but also having the features and functions in Wirecast that the teachers and students need to be able to, let's say, pull off or bring that production value to that live stream. The broadcast studio. The most important thing is the faculty and students having the professional tools that they need, lighting, staging, props, whatever it is, providing that flexibility and professional look. The studio flexibility in this example is a great use of space. Half of it is dedicated to the anchors and their table and background and their look. But you'll see on the other half of the studio, they have a green screen, of course, for weather, but essentially having that faculty or student, they could be anywhere with the green screen, just replacing the background. The other big point to that is the multi-layering in Wirecast. Yes, there's the 5 master layers, but even in a layer, you can have as many layers as you want to build out that look as needed. The presenter over green screen, pull the key. Now you have a background of whatever you need. The logos, the lower thirds. Within that layer, you can have the layering to really push that professional look in Wirecast. Speaking of professional look, pre-produced over always going live. Don't forget, you can completely record a game, an announcement, a show, and really get all your takes and just nail them, or get all of your descriptive points in there perfectly and just pre-record it and then put it into Wirecast as a video. And you can still have your intros, your lower thirds, your logos, and essentially what you're doing is just dressing up that video and streaming it live. So don't forget about pre-produced live. And all in all, it's just awesome that we're providing this real world, or the teachers and students have the opportunity to build these real world skills in broadcast and live streaming and video production itself. So very exciting that these schools even have these programs, and the programs themselves, they're award-winning, great, very professional programs. Awesome to see. Scalability and resources, know who's on your team. The Wirecast product management and engineers have done a fabulous job ensuring Wirecast's functionality in the entire live streaming ecosystem. Videoguys, industry and experience, and product knowledge. Make sure you're utilizing the team for your production or workflow. The Wirecast support team, thank you again We know all the video and audio feeds, output settings, and connections all come back to Wirecast. It's usually the first place that we're going to troubleshoot and find out where the issue really is. Thank you again to the Wirecast support team. Testimonial and use cases. This is the great way to see what other productions are using in their workflow. And you may pick and choose what works best for your workflow or production. Thank you again, eduStreamTV. Have a great day from the Wirecast team.